guys, I'm Mia.
And I'm Kendra.
And what we're doing today is we're trying Detroit vegan soul food for the first time. And let's get started.
So first we have the vegan collard greens.
It has tomatoes in it.
And some onions, I see. Wait, where's my fork? You gotta count to 3.
Yeah. Okay, you ready?
It smells like it smells kind of sweet for some reason.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
It's not bad.
It's not bad. It's actually not bad at all. And I'm not even a collard green person. So I'll give them this.
I don't know what it tastes like with the tomato.
It's actually not bad. Alright, let's keep it on. Let's go see what's next. So next we have up is the vegan mac and cheese.
And it's very dry looking.
Yeah, it does look a little dry.
I look got like 2 different types of noodles in it. Or no,
Yeah,
maybe
it's kind of like a rib noodle that they have in here, but then again, we don't even know if it's noodle. I don't know. I guess
they don't have enough
give
cheese
it a
on
try.
it. Do they use cheese?
Nah, this ain't cheese.
Oh wow. Wait, let's smell it first.
It smell like
no cheese.
Yeah, it don't smell like nothing.
1, 2, 3.
You gotta eat it.
You gotta eat it. Yeah. It's easy for you to say you ain't gotta eat it.
Right.
What it taste like? Nasty.
I can honestly say like the flavor. It
don't have no flavor.
It's not much of a flavor, but it's just the texture.
It might be better with some
texture
sriracha.
is very gooey.
Yeah, it don't have enough fake cheese on it.
Yeah, ain't got enough of that ease.
She said ease.
Real.
Up next is the black eyed peas.
It has some
I don't know if it's quinoa or something.
I think this is rice, and it look like refried beans if you ask me. So, I don't know if this is vegan or Mexican food. I think it's Mexican. Shit. I'm ready to get me a damn tortilla right now.
Oh man, come on, let's try it. I don't even.
Get some of the rice. It smells like regular rice.
This not rice.
On 3. Yeah, it probably ain't rice, but
I don't know what it is.
I mean, it ain't bad. It ain't good though. It tastes like beans.
Yeah.
That's what it tastes like.
And dry.
Yeah. Again with the texture. I'm not a texture person. And for this to be rice, it don't look like rice. It look like pebbles. For real. Next. Okay, so now we have the candy M's. I'm sure this is good. Yeah, I mean, it kind of look regular, like regular candy yams.
It smells good.
It does smell good, so. And I'm pretty sure this is real yams because it came from the ground, so I don't think they did no imitation. Eat this shit without me. That's not bad. It tastes like regular candy yams, like we expected.
Yeah, it's not bad.
I mean, it ain't my mama. It's yams, alright. Now we got the fufu.
It's barbecue tofu.
This is what it looks like.
I try it. This looks like.
And it smells like that meat that they give you at the school. And 3. And go. This shit is horrible. Tastes like a boiled, what is that? Hot dog. I don't know. Not even a hot dog. This hot dog is better than that. This shit tastes like
Nasty.
I don't know. They shouldn't be selling that. That should be illegal.
What we have is the vegan cornbread. Let's try it. It looks a little dry.
It looked like some chewed up graham crackers. It's dry.
Yeah, it tastes like something that's been sitting out for a few days.
It smells like straight up cornmeal. It's not bad though. It's not a bad flavor. It's just dry as hell.
I wouldn't get it again. Well, that's it for the video. Thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe. If you have any requests, leave them down below.